Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to protect WhatsApp account from being hacked. So if you want to protect your WhatsApp account from being hacked, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp, then tap on the gear button. So once tap on the gear button, then you have to scroll down a little, then tap on account. Then the first thing is you have to make sure that you turn on two-step verification in order to avoid your account being hacked. So once you set, this is another level of verification that it is required for other users to log in your account. So once you set this, anybody that wants to hack your account will find it difficult to break this verification, which is two-step verification. Then also you have to make sure that almost every time you have to check for linked devices. Check if there is a device that is linked to your WhatsApp without your original linked devices. Make sure you remove it. The person might be spying on you, or the person might be reading your chat from another device. And just tap on the device and tap on logout, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.